Hello, now I am going to discuss Junior English Book 2, page number 19, and today's topic is adjectives describing words. What is adjectives? I think you know. Adjective is actually describing word. It means adjective is a word which describe a noun or a pronoun. So here see, here we are actually reading the formation of adjectives. Adjectives can be formed by adding y to some words like rust, rusty, wealth, wealthy, great, greedy, storm, stormy. When y is added to some words, the last letter of the word is doubled. Like see, sun, sunny, far, furry, mud, muddy, fog, foggy, sand, sandy. Here another rule, see, when y is added to word ending with e, this letter is dropped, like noise, noisy, shade, shady, this is also dropped, is, easy, same thing, smoke, smoky, is dropped, stone, stony, same thing is happened here. So after that we are going to do size what are here. See, first exercise, these are so easy today's exercise. What are the missing words? Dash hands. We will form an adjective depends on one word from the sentence. Here see, dirt is a word, depends on this word we will make an adjective. So here it will be dirty hands. Remember, today's all the adjectives will be ended with y. So a day of strong winds. So what will be here? It will be windy day. Windy day. A mountain with many rocks. So it will be a rocky mountain. A beach covered with sand, a dash beach. It will be sand, sandy beach. So write it here. A sandy beach. So a table covered with dust, a dust table. So it will be a dusty table. A chest covered with hair, a dash chest. It will be what? Hairy chest. Hairy chest. Hair that has curls, it will be what? It will be curly hair. Food that has a lot of salt, it will be what? It will be depends on this word, so that's why it will be salty food. A sky with many clouds, a dash sky, it will be cloudy sky. A girl who has lots of luck, a dash girl, it will be a lucky girl. Depends on this one. It means we are going to make this word an adjective. So it will be lucky girl. So next exercise, see, this is also so easy. B number exercise. What are the missing adjectives? This is so easy. We will fill the blanks with this bold type of letter, means we will make them adjective by adding y, or you can tell by following these rules, and we will fill the space. Okay, so let's start. First one, a dash day, it will be sun. Here sun, sorry, here sun, it will be sunny day. So let's write here sunny day. A sunny day. Sunny day. And dash exercise is, it will be easy. So, and easy exercises. A dash morning, mist. So it will be what? A misty morning. I think you are understanding this. A dash animal, it will be what? It will be a furry. It will be double. R will be double. Here, if you don't understand how I am making this spelling, that time you will take the help from these rules what we read first time, these rules. Okay, these rules here the way is written. So let's start again. It is so easy. A dash chimney, what it will be? It will be a smoky chimney. Write it here. This e will be dropped and y will be added. So write smoky chimney. A dash class, noisy class, here e will be also dropped and y will be added. So write here noisy class. A dash drink, face, so we will just add y. A fizzy drink, fizzy drink. A dash tree, what will be here? This e will be dropped and y will be added. So it will be a shady tree. A dash path, it will be stony path. That time e will be dropped. We will write here stony path. A dash night, here it is written fog, it will be foggy, and there another g will be added. So write it here foggy night. A dash line, what we can write here, a dash line, it will be a wavy line, a wavy line. A dash joke, what we can write, a funny joke, and will be doubled. 13, a dash face, here it is spot, so you are understanding spotty, and the spelling will be double ty. So write it here spotty face. 14, a dash pupil, it will be lazy pupil. So write it here lazy, will drop e and will add y, so it will be a lazy pupil. 15 number, a dash lane, it will be a muddy lane, we will add another d and after that we will add y. So write it here muddy lane. So I think you have understood today's topic, adjectives. It is so important. Adjective is a word which describes noun and pronoun. Today we have finished this. Next day we will read page number 20. There we will find the topic is verbs adding es and ed. Bye for today.